Play Ball by Nancy Noel Williams. Oh, what shall we do? Pick up a ball. It's time for fun. Let's play, one and all. Balls bounce high, balls bounce low. Up, down, fast or slow. Play with a ball. Choose yellow or blue. Some are old and some are new. You can juggle 3 balls, toss them high. They almost fly up to the sky. Oh, what shall we do? Pick up a ball. It's time for fun. Let's play, one and all. Throw a ball to your poppy as he runs by. The game's called fetch. Give it a try. Play a game of catch. Do it right now. Back and forth, back and forth. You know how. It's your first day of practice. Go have fun. Listen to your coach. She'll say, well done. Kick a ball low, kick a ball high. Soccer is exciting. Give it a try. Play a game of t-ball. The ball sits on a tree. Swing, hit, run. It's easy, you'll see. Oh, what shall we do? Pick up a ball. It's time for fun. Let's play, one and all. Draw a big circle for this game. Try to hit a marble. Take a good aim. Use 13 jacks and a little red ball. Toss and bounce. Pick up. That's all. Put on your uniform. Grab your mitt. You're dressed for baseball. Get a hit. Keep your eye on the ball. Swing right now. Run around the bases. You made it. Wow! Oh, what shall we do? Pick up a ball. It's time for fun. Let's play, one and all. Get the ball through the hoop in basketball. You might need a boost if you are small. Sit on your bouncy ball. Hop, hop, hop. Hold tight to your handles until you stop. You can jiggle and wiggle and bop across the floor. Up, down, more, more, more. Make a touchdown, get 6 points more. The fans all cheer, hear them roar. Have a backyard barbecue, go get a ball. It's family fun for one and all. Now it's your turn, pick up a ball. It's time for fun. Let's play, one and all. When we finish a book, we say, the